Are you a young entrepreneur struggling with leadership qualities? Entrepreneurs are tasked with lots of responsibilities, including managing and overseeing the entire establishment. This requires sound leadership skills. Keep watching for the top 5 leadership tips. People often fantasize about being the boss, but what you don't see is the amount of work left to the boss. As an entrepreneur, you are responsible for calling the shots and keeping the company running smoothly. This opens up a lot of leadership challenges. And, as you already know, poor leadership spells doom for any business, irrespective of the size. Therefore, we compiled this short video to inform you of the top 5 best leadership qualities entrepreneurs need. Of course, we will leave you with a bonus at the end of the video. So, stay glued. Also, as we proceed, please click on subscribe if you haven't done that already. Number 1. Listening is. Show me a good leader and I will show you one that listens. Leaders do not just boss around and do all the talking. A good leader is a patient listener because there is no teamwork without communication. You have to give room for ideas and creativity. You cannot know it all and you most certainly cannot do it all by yourself. Keep an open mind and ensure smooth communication in your firm. Number 2. Creativity. Creativity is part of the essential leadership qualities you ought to hone as an entrepreneur. It takes a creative leader to lead a creative team. The organization should be able to rely on you for novel ideas. You should be able to think outside the box if you want your company to stand out. This ability to think on your feet also comes in handy when there is a problem. As the leader, it is your job to guide the team through the storm. You cannot do this without a good blend of decision-making skills and creativity. Number 3. Humility. Are you a humble boss or a horrible boss? It's got to be one or the other. No matter how high you have climbed on the food chain, humility is a critical quality you must possess to be a great leader. You must be open to learning from everyone, including your employees. Remember, no one is an island. A good leader treats everybody's opinion with respect and encourages them to do more. Number 4. Good decision-making ability. Whatever decision a leader makes determines the fate of the business. Consequently, every leader is expected to possess sound decision-making skills. You should be able to think fast and think outside the box. A good leader can discern what is good for the business and what is not. You must be strategic and quickly responsive to changes. A little delay may cost your business a lot of money. So will a wrong decision. Number 5. Integrity or honesty. Integrity ranks at the top of leadership qualities because it is the only way to get people to trust you. If you want your employees and customers to trust you and give you their best, you must possess integrity. Otherwise, they will doubt every decision and even your mission. This will divide the team and cause the business to fail sooner or later. Whatever you do, as a leader, make sure you do not compromise your integrity. Bonus tip. Number 6. Discipline. The leader is automatically a role model. Everyone looks up to you and tries to follow in your footsteps. If you are a lazy leader, you are likely to have a lazy team. This is where discipline comes into play. Leaders are expected to be disciplined in all they do. From resumption time to goal accomplishment, financial decisions, and every other thing in between, you must show a high level of discipline at all times. Bottom line. The success or failure of a company lies largely on the leader. Therefore, it is very important to arm yourself with these leadership qualities as you continue your entrepreneurial journey. If you don't possess them yet, be sure to start learning now. For professional assistance, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help. Want more tips? Check out our previous video about motivation, personal development, and business. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can always bring you helpful tips like these. Thank you for watching this video. And until next time, Stay very motivated.